Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith and this is the Faith Walks channel where the pathways of faith are limitless. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some products that I got, skincare products from the Sephora VIB sale. And my face is looking all flawless and fabulous because I wanted to show y'all my real skin. Sometimes we got to show it. So yeah. If you want to see what skincare products I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale, then make sure you keep on watching. You know you want to. Hi guys, so yeah, welcome back everybody, all of my subscribers, returning subscribers. Thank you so much for watching and thumbsing up, like how do you even say that? Like thumbing up, is that it? Thumbing up this video. Thank you so much for thumbing up this video. That sounds so weird. Okay, give me the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And also to all of the newbies, if it's your first time watching this video, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch little old me show you what kind of skincare stuff that I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale. Now, we know earlier in the month, Sephora had a sale and it was like 20% off for Rouge, 15% off for, VIB, and 10% off for Insiders. So, of course, your girl be spending that coin constantly, so I'm a Rouge member, and I got 20% off, and I got these skincare products that I'm showing for you guys. I'm also going to put up above somewhere a link to one of the videos that I've done about my skincare routine so you guys can see what I do to take care of my skin, because I am a very oily skin type. So if you want to, see what I do to try to keep it under control, deal with my hyperpigmentation, which is the ongoing process for me, then make sure you check out those videos as well. And if you want to see me do an updated video, then put that down in the comments and I'll be happy to do that for you guys. But I wanted to show you guys some products that I purchased with my Sephora sale money so that you can see, what you might be interested in getting, okay? So, one of the things that I purchased was the Glow Recipe PHA+BHA Pore Tightening Toner. It's the Watermelon Glow. Yes, honey. Hydrating and pore refining. So it came in this box, a really cute big box, and it's watermelon. And y'all, when I tell you it smells like watermelon, it smells like watermelon, like so good. A few of the ingredients that it has in it is watermelon, hyaluronic acid, cactus water, PHA and BHA. And they say that the watermelon has amino acids and it's a vitamin rich fruit that helps to hydrate, soothe, and fight free radical damage. Of course, hyaluronic acid helps you to retain moisture. It has 1,000 more moisturizing properties than water itself. It can hold that, and the cactus water is packed with electrolytes. Cactus water helps to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin, and it also helps create the toner's springy texture. And it really is like a nice situation. It just feels so soothing and relaxing, like you're on a vacation. And just pop this top for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But like, you see that? You see I ain't wasting it. Yeah, y'all saw it. You see that? And it's kind of runny, but though it is, yeah. But that's what your face be looking like. You see that glow? You see why I'm glowing? No. But you see that glow? That's what my face looks like afterwards. And of course you use this after you cleanse your skin and everything. So yeah, I wanted to try it. And I've been using it the last couple of days. And I had a really bad breakout because of the, lady girl visiting. and I've been using this in addition to some of the other products that I'm gonna show you. And we recovered. I was scared. I'm like, no, my skin, we've been making so much progress, and but she's been doing pretty good. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I don't want to give you a final what I feel about it, but I do enjoy having an exfoliant and toner. I would have to give you an update on how it does, but I needed a toner in my regimen, and this one is also an exfoliating toner, so it's a chemical exfoliator as opposed to a physical exfoliator. A physical exfoliator, it's like a scrub or something like that, and I just noticed they're kind of harsh on my skin and makes my skin sensitive, and anything else that I add on will then will cause the tingling / burning situation, and we ain't trying to do that. So I wanted to go for one that is soothing, a chemical exfoliator rather, that is soothing, and this one is also pore tightening, which I need. When you are an oily person and you overproduce sebum, your pores, specifically for me in this area here, my cheeks and stuff, them pores. But lately my pores have been much smaller than they used to be. So yeah. Anyways, but I'm not going to give like a final thought of what I think about the glow recipe, but so far so good. I like it. I feel like this one you could use day or night because it's just that easy on the skin. So yeah, you want to check it out, then check it out. Okay. So I really like it so far. I'll let you guys know what I think of it, but so far it's a go. Another thing I got is the Peptide Moisturizer from Inkey. If you guys have watched my video, and I'll probably tag it for you, but if you watch my video about my skincare routine, I have a nighttime skincare routine and a daytime skincare routine on my channel, but I talk a lot about the Inkey list, and I love this brand. Nothing is over $15, and it's quality ingredients that you can get for low prices so that your skin can be on fleek. Dang, that's not a thing anymore, is it? Yeah, so your skin can be popping or whatever. So this moisturizer, the Peptide Moisturizer, is a rich daily moisturizer containing 2 peptides. Peptides are chains of amino acids which support proteins naturally found in the skin, helping to delay the signs of aging. So this one helps for to even the skin tone and delay the aging of skin cells. So yeah, it does that, and it's also hydrating as well. So this one, let me show you guys what type of cream it is. Yep. You know what? I can't. But it's, as you can see, it's somewhat of a thicker cream. I'm saving this, y'all. I don't waste nothing, okay? I already put it on, so. But it's a thicker cream, but it's not too thick, and I don't find that it makes my skin oily. Like, it just really does moisturize. I'm putting it on my hand, but it really does moisturize very well, and so far I like it. I really do. It's good. I use it at nighttime. This is when I use this one. My nighttime routine has really saved my skin, especially during this breakout that I've had. This breakout was rough, y'all. Like, I was like, I'm not getting on camera looking like this. But it's my face. It shouldn't be like that. So another product that I purchased is the beta. Well, let me show you the box too. But the beta hydroxy acid. And it comes in this little bottle here. And this one is a salicylic acid exfoliating serum, which works to unclog the pores whilst gently exfoliating the skin. So this is another exfoliant. This one by Inkey, I use this one at night to exfoliate as well. And it's just really good. Is this more intense? It's really not intense. I don't get a tingling sensation or anything from this. I've been using this one for a while, and I just like it. So it's a good option for an exfoliating serum, and Inkey is just on point with theirs, okay? Another thing I purchased from the Inkey, I don't have the box with me, but Retinol, anti-aging. I'm all about anti-aging. I am 30 years old, okay? Well, 30 years young, okay? So, you know, we doing good. We doing real good. We doing real good, okay? So, but I have my Retinol anti-aging. I'm just, you know, preparing my skin to be fabulous, you know, into my golden, silver, you know, bronze years. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just going to be fabulous. And skincare is just really, really important for me. So I'm trying to get on top of things, be it toner, exfoliation, moisturizing. Don't be fooled. Even though you have oily skin, you need to moisturize. Okay, I'm so extra. But you really do need to moisturize even though you have oily skin. Where's the other one? So another moisturizer that I purchased from the Inkey list, I don't have it with me at the moment because I left it upstairs and I just want to talk to y'all, so I hope you don't mind. But it comes in a box just like this, and it comes in a container just like this one, but it is the Snow Mushroom Moisturizer. This one is a gel, great for oily skin. It's moisturizing. It's like a water gel, and it feels really, really good on the skin, and it is just perfect if you have oily skin, as it's not too heavy, it's not too much of a creamy texture. It's great for a daytime moisturizing when you don't want anything that's too heavy, or you want something that's really nice under your makeup, to still moisturize the skin but not to cause the oiliness to break through when you are wearing your makeup during the day. I'm in love. Yes, okay. So those are all of the skincare products that I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale. And yeah, they're really, really nice. I'm enjoying them so far. Again, if you want another updated, you know, review of my skincare routine situation, then make sure you let me know down in the comments. And again, I will do it, honey. Yeah, so anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, short little quick video today. I hope you were enjoying the skin, but I'll be back with a makeup review. You know it's coming. Anyways, I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.